Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel RIZEN Densify subscription. So if you have purchased RIZEN hair densifier system or spray, and by mistake if you have choose option subscribe and save, how you can cancel it. Okay, so basically the cancellation is a little bit very hard, we can say very hard, because these kind of brands are making a scam in today's time. And when you purchase product they will activate subscription and the cancellation is very hard. So we have done lots of videos on these kind of in these kind of where you can like brands, and all the customers is complaining like they are not able to cancel subscription. But the last thing you can do, you can say like you can contact your bank and you need to revoke your authorization and request stop all the payments, all the payment related to order or recurring charges. You can contact your credit card provider, or you can also contact, you can select customer support related to any kind of cancellation. But you need to provide at least 3 business days notice period. Like if your subscription is going to end in 3 days, then you need to contact immediately. Okay, and once you contact your bank, they will only cancel your subscription, they will only revoke your authorization of payments. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.